Hello standard 2 students, today we will discuss our computer lesson for switch on and switch off. In this lesson we will learn about switch on and switch off a computer and the desktop and some icons that appear on the desktop. So let's start. A machine works better and longer when used carefully. Computer is a machine too and needs that extra care. The first important thing that we must learn is to switch on and switch off a computer properly. So how to switch on a computer? The computer has many parts. The main parts have to be switched on one by one. We do so by a step-by-step process. So the first step is turn on the main power supply switch. Second step, switch on the UPS. Third step, press the power button on the CPU gently to switch it on. Generally, there is a small light on the CPU that starts blinking. This indicates that the computer is on. Step 4, finally press the button on the monitor to switch it on. When we switch on the computer, desktop. Desktop means, children, do you know what is desktop? When we switch on the computer, we will see a screen called desktop. The desktop of a computer is like a study table. Just as we keep books and other things on our desk, we can put things such as files and folders on the desktop. When a computer is switched on, many small pictures appear on the desktop. Those small pictures are called icons. By clicking on those icons, we can open different files on the computer. Let us discuss what some of these icons mean. Folder. Folder means a folder is like a container. Different things such as letters, picture and files can be kept in a folder. Next, taskbar. The long bar at the bottom of the screen is the taskbar. The icons on the taskbar are used to change things like time, date, month and sound volume. It also shows the file that we are working on. It allows us to move from one file to another. Next, start button. The start button is seen on the bottom left corner of the taskbar. We can click on the start button to reach different areas of the computer. Next, shutdown. Closing all the activities and turning the computer off is called shutting down. This has to be done step by step. First step, using the left mouse button, click on the start button on the desktop. Second step, click on the shutdown button located on the right hand side of the start menu. A window will appear. It will show three options: OK, cancel, help. Then click OK. Step 3. After clicking on OK button, the computer will take some time to shut down. A message showing that the computer is shutting down will appear on the screen. After a while, the CPU will turn off. And step 3, switch off the power button on the monitor. Step 4, switch off the power button on the UPS. Step 5, switch off the main power switch button.